Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I invite you to crochet easy to make pattern. For this one I will use crochet hook 4.5 millimeters and a ball of yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the work. For this, make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet row 1, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook and make single crochet on the chain. Pull up a loop, make a chain and make single crochet. Then make single crochet in the chain like this. Make single crochet and single crochet. Continue. So make single crochet on the chain into the each chain stitch. Here what I have. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done all my stitches. Before I continue, let's stop at this point and look at the ready job. My swatch is double-sided. I continue working in rows, not in rounds. You can crochet any amount of chains in the foundation chain. Pattern consists of only one stitch and has one row. It is very easy to make pattern, so you don't need special skills. It is a little bit stretchy, so it is perfect for headband or scarf or another accessories. And I continue working on current example. Let's crochet row 2. Pattern consists of only one row. Make a chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. I'm going to work with single crochet on the chain, but only into the back loops. I skip the first stitch. Work with the second stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make chain and single crochet. Continue. Make a chain, then single crochet. Continue. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make a chain and single crochet. And as I told you before, I have only one stitch and pattern consists of only one row. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete this row together. Let's complete this row together. They are my stitches. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make the last stitch. Make a chain. Then single crochet. My row is ready. Pattern has only one row. So continue chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. I skip the first stitch. Work with the second one. And make single crochet on the chain into the each back loop. Like this. It is very easy to make. This pattern could be used in any project. It depends whatever you like. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row together. Let's complete this row together. I insert the hook into the 1, 2. This is the second one. Make single crochet in the chain. Chain of 2. I skip 1, 2 and make single crochet on the chain into the back loop of the second stitch. And make single crochet on the chain into the back loop of the second stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this round, as many rows as you need. Let's look at my ready swatch. This is double-sided pattern, so you can use both sides. Please write comment below this video where you will use this pattern. It is very elastic, and I remind you it is going to be handband. So for this one you just need to know the size of your head. And now I show you how to join two sides together. I take their fronts together. The beginning of the work is closer to me. I insert the hook into the first stitch. I insert the hook into the first stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Make a slip stitch. I do not pull it. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Make a slip stitch. You can sew two sides together using sewing needle. I like to join using crochet hook. Here what I have at this point. Do not pull my stitches. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Make a slip stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of the row. So that's it, my handband is ready, or ear warmer. So my seam is done. Here how it looks. It is very elastic and wide in the same time. And I remind you, you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. It depends what kind of project you would like to get. Let's measure. It is 11 centimeters, 5 millimeters. Pattern consists of only one row and has one stitch. So for this one you don't need special skills. It could be perfect for beginner. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please write comment below this video where you will use this pattern and what you will get with me. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Bye!